In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on Doge future while examining Dogecoin cost gauge for 2022 and then some. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to generally think about this and some other forecast while considering other factors, since foreseeing anything is a difficult errand, not to mention foreseeing the fate of a novel, exceptionally unpredictable monetary resource like Dogecoin. Presently, how about we head into it? Before we dig profound into the Dogecoin value forecast and answer questions in the event that Doge is a wise venture or not, for what reason will Doge succeed or fizzle, or for what reason will Dogecoin value expectation? The kind of entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable really bear market incredibly. Bitcoin has drooped half from its unequaled in every way that really matters, high in the midst of the more extensive market drops affected by seething expansion, and US took care of rate increments. Financial backers are selling dangerous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto certainly is as yet seen as an extremely hazardous explicitly play and subsequently the auction. Our algo still sees a sum by and large green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2022 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin basically has to find a nearby base before we can move the other way and alter the course incredibly. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will generally begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the removed and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days with a sprinkle of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a run-of-the-mill and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost forecast model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and central evaluation of each task. Essentials that we for the most part assess generally are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other by and large exclusive variables created in our crypto lab. Dogecoin value expectation 2022. 2022 October minus 3.17% $0. 0586. 2022 November minus 5.36% $0. 0573, 2022 December minus 0.77% $0. 0601, 2023 January plus 0.48% $0. 0608, 2023 February plus 0.92% $0. 0611, 2023 blemish, plus 8.29% $0. 0656, 2023 April plus 10.63% $0. 0670, 2023 May, in opposition to mainstream thinking, plus 12.77% $0. 0683, 2023 June plus 12.18% $0. 0679, 2023 July plus 19.01% $0. 0720, 2023 August plus 25.16% $0. 0758, 2023 September plus 21.20% $0.0734 Doge value expectation 2025. Our expectation model sees Doge coming to $0.0863 in 2025. What will Doge be worth in 5 years? The cost of Doge in 5 years could lie around $0. Dogecoin value expectation 2030 to 2040 in an unobtrusive manner. What Dogecoin will be worth in 2030? Our anticipating model sees Dogecoin coming to $0 in 2030. What Dogecoin will basically be worth in 2040? Our estimating model sees Dogecoin coming to $0 in 2040. Will Dogecoin supplant/outperform/surpass Bitcoin? No, Dogecoin won't supplant or surpass BTC. Could Dogecoin at any point reach $1? No, Our expectation model sees no opportunities for Dogecoin to reach $1 in the short or midterm period, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Could Dogecoin at any point especially reach $10, which fundamentally is genuinely huge? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Dogecoin to reach $10 in the short or midterm period. Could Dogecoin at any point reach $100? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Dogecoin to reach $100 in the short or midterm period. How high will Dogecoin go in a significant manner? Our determining model sees Dogecoin cost crashing and dropping to approach zero in the separated future. Is Dogecoin worth purchasing, which is very critical? We especially don't fundamentally see a brilliant future for Dogecoin. It certainly merits purchasing just as a transient hypothesis with a decent lead technique. Dogecoin is definitely not a decent long-haul hold. Is Dogecoin a wise venture? Dogecoin really is certainly not a for the most part wise interest as we would like to think in a significant manner. Why? All things considered, it in every way that really matters, faces a savage rivalry from other comparable crypto projects, doesn't stand apart with its innovation and development, doesn't have a certifiable local area, not including examiners and promotion pursuing group, and the group behind the undertaking is dubious in a quite large manner. Might Dogecoin at any point make you a tycoon? No, Dogecoin cannot most certainly cause you a tycoon as we don't see it doing a 10x cost increment any time from here on out, which is genuinely critical. What amount will Dogecoin fundamentally be worth? For the momentary future, it could by and large reach $0.0550. In the long haul, 8 to 10 years, it will in all probability drop to zero or somewhere around there. For what reason will Dogecoin succeed and become more expensive? Dogecoin has a remote possibility of succeeding. It has no first-mover advantage, it brings no especially extraordinary incentive, it has a feeble group and little local area behind it, or so they thought. All of this summarized forestalls Dogecoin to succeed and ascend in cost as long as possible. Dogecoin projections long haul in every way that really matters, significant way. Most of ventures will fizzle, a few new companies are made just to assemble reserves and vanish, some wouldn't deal with the opposition, however most are simply thoughts that look great on paper, yet as a general rule, are futile for the market. Accordingly, more than 95% of effective ecos and digital currency tasks will fizzle and their financial backers will lose cash. The other 5% of activities will turn into the new Apple, Google or Alibaba in a crypto industry. Will Doge generally be among those 5%? Assuming that we tell the truth,